This is a 2010 Lincoln MKT 3.5 motor that needed fuel injectors installed. I forgot to film the video, so just for you guys that need to know how to install it, basically here's a run through of what you need to do. You just need to remove this intake. So if you know anything about cars, remove all the bolts that go around the intake, some back here in the back. Remove those bolts. Remove your throttle body. It's 4 bolts, 1, 2, and it's 4 under the bottom. Unplug everything. Unplug that. Unplug this. Remove this hose. Unplug it. You're going to have to unclip that hose, and you're going to have to take this screw out. That way you have some room to wiggle this around, so when you go to lift the intake up off the vehicle, you can get the intake out of there. And there's a few more things. Remove those 2 lines, clips, pop that off, pop that line off. Remove the air box, unplug it. Of course, you unplug everything. Make sure you unplug the battery, because if you don't, after you remove the fuel line, which is this one, it starts to pump gas out. Every 10 minutes. So make sure you unplug that battery so gas don't just start shooting out on you as you're taking this car apart. You undo everything, whatever you need to undo to take off this intake. If you're a mechanic, you should be able to see what you need to do. And after you get that intake off, up under there, you got fuel rails. 2 of them. And they're held in by, I think, 5 screws a piece, 5 or 6 screws holding those in each. So it's 2 of them, so that's 10 screws all together. I could not find a video on this, so this is a video for you guys. Oh yeah, and the few rails that run up under there, once you get to it, you're going to need to unscrew that off so you can move that rail out the way to get to one of those last screws that are up under there. Hope you guys enjoy doing this job. It was a lot of fun. It took me like 3 hours to complete, but I got it done, and the car seems to run pretty good. It's a turbo, and he had white smoke was coming out of the vehicle, and this seemed to solve the issue. Hope this helps somebody out. You guys enjoy.